In this video, we're going to work a little bit more on finding the area of something. So if you have a problem like this that says find the area of the figure, and you see a figure like this, and you're probably thinking to yourself, how could I possibly find the area of that? Well, if you take a look at this, well, the first thing, let's remember what area means. The area of a rectangle is equal to its length times its width. We could see here that there's two rectangles. This is just two rectangles joined together. You could either look at it like this way, having one big one here and then this smaller one, or you could divide it up this way. So then have this one and then this one. So how would that look? It would look like this. So we would have rectangle A and rectangle B. And the dimensions of rectangle A are 1 centimeter by 3 centimeters. And the dimensions of rectangle B are 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters. So we have all the information here to calculate the area of this funny looking figure. So the total area of the figure would be what the area of A is plus what the area of B is. So it would be area A plus area B. So like I said, the area for area A is calculated by multiplying 3 times 1 because we know the length and the width are 3, and for the length and 1 is the width. So 3 times 1 is 3 centimeters squared. Don't forget to put the units as squared because that's how you calculate area. So then the area of rectangle B is the length times its width, which is 3 times 2, which is 6 centimeters squared. So then we can find the total area of the figure, which is equal to 3 plus 6, which equals 9 centimeters squared. And that's the answer to this whole problem. It's not very complicated when you break it down into steps like this. And don't forget that anyone can do math.